Do you ever feel shy or robotic when you try to give a compliment in English? You know what you want to say, but the words come out wrong. Imagine expressing your feelings with warm, natural English that connects with people. Today, you'll solve the problem of sounding awkward when expressing feelings. Learn these natural English phrases. You are about to unlock the confidence to truly connect with others in English. Hello, and welcome back to English Unshackled. To start, let's talk about how your brain learns. We have a powerful tool called emotional connection. Think of your brain as having a special highlighter. When you learn a phrase that is tied to a real feeling, like happiness or affection, your brain marks it. This emotional link makes the phrase much easier to remember and use naturally later on. You won't have to think in English, you will feel it. This English lesson is designed to build that connection. We are now going to begin our English practice. Let's meet two new people, Leo and Anna. They are in a small, quiet coffee shop. Listen carefully to their English conversation. Pay attention to how Leo starts the conversation with a simple compliment. This is a great way to learn English for real situations. Anna: Oh, hi, Leo. I didn't expect to see you here today. Leo: Hi, Anna. What a nice surprise. How have you been? Anna: I've been good, just been very busy with work lately. Leo: I understand completely. It's been a very busy week for me, too. Anna: So what are you doing here? Just taking a little break? Leo: Exactly. I needed a good coffee. By the way, you have a really nice smile. Anna: Oh, really? Thank you so much, Leo. Leo: Of course. It just brightens up the entire room. Anna: That is very kind of you to say. You just made my day. Leo: I'm very glad to hear that. It's absolutely true. Anna: Well, that was sweet. Are you enjoying your coffee? Leo: Yes, it's great. So, are you reading something interesting there? Amazing first step. Hearing these phrases in a real context is key to understanding the language. The goal of this listening practice is to train your ear. Repetition will make it easier to understand a native speaker. What did Leo compliment about Anna? Tell me in the comments below. And subscribe to keep cultivating your garden of words. Wonderful. Now, let's practice the key phrases from that dialogue. This speaking practice will help your English pronunciation. We will break down the sentences into smaller parts. These are the first seeds for your garden. Repeat each phrase after me. Try to copy the intonation and feeling. Let's begin the English speaking practice. What a very nice surprise today. Speak now. What a very nice surprise today. How have you been doing lately? Speak now. How have you been doing lately? I've been very busy with work. Speak now. I've been very busy with work. It's been a busy week for me. Speak now. It's been a busy week for me. Are you just taking a break? Speak now. Are you just taking a break? I needed a good cup of coffee. Speak now. I needed a good cup of coffee. Excellent work. You can feel the rhythm, right? Let's plant the next seeds in our garden to continue growing your confidence. By the way, you have a nice smile. Speak now. By the way, you have a nice smile. It brightens up the entire room. Speak now. It brightens up the entire room. That is very kind of you. Speak now. That is very kind of you. That is so kind of you to say. Speak now. That is so kind of you to say. You just completely made my day. Speak now. You just completely made my day. I'm very glad to hear that. Speak now. I'm very glad to hear that. Wonderful work. Repeating these phrases builds your confidence muscle. Every time you practice, you get one step closer to speaking confidently. When you speak English, confidence is very important. If you feel you can use one of these compliments, hit the like button. You are doing great. Let's add some new flowers to your garden of affectionate words. Here is some more English vocabulary you can use. These are common English collocations for expressing admiration and affection. This is very practical English for your daily routine. First, let's look at phrases to show you enjoy someone's company. For example, I really enjoy our conversations. This is a wonderful way to show you value the time you spend talking with them. It is simple, but powerful. It shows you listen. Another useful phrase is, you always make me laugh. Everyone likes to hear that they are funny. This compliment creates a positive and happy feeling. It builds a stronger connection between two people. Using this helps your English skills for daily English conversations. Here is another one. I like spending time with you. This is more direct, but very sincere. It tells the other person that their presence is a gift. It's a simple way to express a deep feeling. This is a key part of English for daily life. Finally, consider this one. You are a great listener. In a world where everyone wants to talk, being a good listener is a special skill. Acknowledging this in someone is a very meaningful compliment. It shows you feel heard and understood. This is one of the best skills to speak English with connection. Now, let's practice these new sentences. We will use a technique called shadowing. In this shadowing practice, you will speak at the same time as me. This is one of the best skills for fluency. Try to match my pace, rhythm, and intonation. This is how you make your English sound more natural. Let's start the shadowing practice. English. I really enjoy our conversations. Together now. I really enjoy our conversations. You always make me laugh a lot. Together now. You always make me laugh a lot. I like spending time with you. Together now. I like spending time with you. You are a very great listener. Together now. You are a very great listener. I always learn something from you. Together now. I always learn something from you. You have a very kind heart. Together now. You have a very kind heart. Perfect. This is how you water your garden of words. You are matching the rhythm beautifully. Let's make the next phrases flow just as naturally. I feel happy when I'm with you. Together now. I feel happy when I'm with you. You always know what to say. Together now. You always know what to say. I really admire your positive attitude. Together now. I really admire your positive attitude. You are a very good friend. Together now. You are a very good friend. I am so lucky to know you. Together now. I am so lucky to know you. You make everything feel much better. Together now. You make everything feel much better. Perfect. That is how you develop your English fluency. This shadowing English speaking practice is a powerful tool. When you practice like this, you stop translating in your head. Now, close your eyes for a moment. Imagine saying one of these phrases to someone special. Feel the positive connection it creates. You are ready for your next English listening practice. Let's go back to Leo and Anna. They have finished their coffee and are getting ready to leave. This conversation is a little different. Leo uses one of our new phrases. Listen for how he expresses his feelings about their time together. This is a real-life example. Anna, wow, I can't believe how fast time flies. Leo, I know, right? It always does when I'm with you. Anna, that's so nice. I had a really wonderful time today. Leo, me too. Honestly, I really enjoy our conversations a lot. Anna, I feel the exact same way, Leo. Leo, I'm glad we have this connection. It's quite special. Anna, it really is. Thank you again for the compliment earlier. Leo, I only said it because it's true. Anytime, Anna. Anna, well, I should probably get going now. Leo, okay, we should definitely do this again very soon. Anna, I would love that. Have a great afternoon. Leo, you too, Anna. Talk to you soon. Bye. You are doing so well. Your ability to understand is growing with each practice. Comprehension is a skill, and you are mastering it. Repetition is the best way to improve your English. How did Leo say he felt about their time together? Let me know your answer in the comments. Today, you learned some beautiful phrases to speak English with more heart and less awkwardness. You planted seeds in your garden with compliments like, "You have a really nice smile." Then you added new flowers with phrases like, "I like spending time with you." You practiced so you can use them in dialogues. Remember our cognitive tip: emotional connection. When you use these phrases, connect them to a real feeling. This is the secret to making them a natural part of your English vocabulary. You are not just learning lines. You are learning to express yourself. This is how you build the skills to practice speaking English in a meaningful way. You've built a powerful mental map today to help you express feelings and connect with people. You took a huge step towards speaking naturally. Keep watering your garden of words through practice. Continue your journey to English fluency and improve your English skills by watching the video that is appearing on your screen now. Thank you for learning with English Unshackled. Until next time.